Welcome back, everybody. We're putting the final touches on our yard. The sprinkler system is installed, and we are going to be planting grass like in the next 10 days. So I was looking at our underground tile systems, and this is one tile right here. So our downspouts, instead of just blowing out into the yard, they actually go into this tile right here, and then they lead out throughout the yard in different spots. Now right here, I think when they put the sprinkler in, they damaged this and smashed this piece up. So I'm going to cut this bad section out. I'll show you how to do that. We'll splice it together. And then I want to put these in place. And all this is, when water actually fills this up, it pushes this knob up, allows the water to flow out, and then closes back up when there's no more water to drain. And what that does is it sits at about ground level there. So you can drive on it, walk on it, no big deal. But it keeps pests, rodents, mice from going in there, building nests, things like that. So we'll get started on this. Okay, I've got this tile dug out, and this tile's probably been in for about 2 years. You can see some roots actually kind of growing. It's interesting. I don't know what those roots are, but the tile's still hollow. There's nothing in it. There's a little bit of, actually there's a little bit of dirt, but not a lot. But you can see where this is smashed flat, and I don't like that. So I'm going to cut this off, and I'll cut it off there, and then we'll put a splice piece in here. We'll put it back together. All right, that's that. Drain whatever dirt is in there. I feel a little weight, but it's not a lot. All right. Okay, we got that. Now we've got this damaged piece right here. Here we go. The reason I think that the sprinkler guys damaged this is because here's the sprinkler line right here. So you tell me. They get close to this and this thing's all smashed up. So whatever, we'll get her fixed. I'm glad I found it. All right, and that is just mush. Okay, I can take this off. This sleeve, yeah, it's just smashed. Water probably still get through it, but it's disappointing that you even have to deal with that stuff. Rogue is here ready to help. All right. All this does is just clip in place, and you're good to go. I don't even think you need a screw in that. I may go ahead and place one, but I don't think you need it. I don't want to dig it up later. Oops. So I'll go ahead and put one in right now. All right, that's enough to keep it from falling off. I'm going to pull this sock up just a little bit if it'll... It's maybe not going to come with me. Maybe I'll put this sock over it. How's that? All right. Roll this down. Slide this into place just like that. That just goes right in, and these little clips fold in and grab these corrugations. Locked in place. Okay, same thing. I'm just going to put one of these little screws in here just to ensure that it stays tight. Good to go. I'm going to pull this sleeve over here just to keep some of the dirt out of it. And there you go. You're all mended up. Now, I ran this really low when we built the house. I think I'm going to keep it up higher. We want it a little bit closer to the elevation of the top of the soil. So if we take a look at this, this is going to be something like right here, about that height. So I can kick in dirt underneath this. Let's try that. That's probably about the right height. I kind of like that. All right. Now it's a matter of just being patient and filling in some dirt around this so that it drains well. Now this is a 4-inch pipe, and this is a 4-inch pipe. So I need an adapter, and all this does is it goes on the outside of this pipe. Oh, come on. It's compression there. Okay, there you go. So now that's kind of, it's not locked on, but it's pressed on. We'll go ahead and put a screw in that as well. And then this piece fits inside of here nicely. And that ties everybody together. Screw it together, pull your sock down, and then bury it where you want it. A lot of times you'll buy this piece and you won't have this adapter. So just be prepared. If you plan a whole Saturday and you don't have this, you could be in trouble. Okay. We'll put these together one more time. And then I'll screw them together to ensure that they stay together for a long time. And that's really all you need. I'll put another one on the other side. I'm using these nice short screws. They're about 3/4 of an inch long, just so I don't have a thread going all the way through here that's going to catch debris as it flows through. Okay. Now I'm going to preload my gun. One more screw. And we'll slide this in. Just like that. We'll try to work it in. Okay. Get a screw. Just like that. Another one on the other side. I think the screws on the top side are better. That way anything flowing on the bottom, the screws don't grab it. There you have it. That thing is tied together. Pull our sock back down. And then again, we can backfill with dirt. Lucky for us, lucky and unlucky for us, we have this nice sandy soil, so it's pretty easy to move around and work with. I've got this backfilled. You can clearly see that I'm down to my topsoil over here. There's obviously a hole here we've had washout. So I'll leave it the way it is. Then I'll come back and I'll put some nice black dirt and kind of just dress this and top this off. Okay, one down. I've got one more here that I have. I think I'll probably end up buying a couple more around the house, but let's go install one more and see how it goes. Okay, here we go. Pro tip, I think I did this wrong. I was just picking up my pieces to go to the next one, and I just slid this in, and I thought, wow, that fits so tight and nice. And if you think about it, water's going to flow in here and then out, versus if I put it on the other way, which it does fit, water, I don't know. It's just the water coming in here could catch this rim from the other tube. So if water's coming in now, it's going to go right on through and it won't catch this rim. So I think I'm probably OCD, but I'm going to go ahead and flip it because I feel like I told you guys wrong, and it's right here. So it'll be nothing to just change it out real fast. So we'll pull our sock up. Now that we've got it screwed all together. Oop. All right, that's off. We'll take this screw out. Screw it out. Flip her around. Let's see how far that goes in. Okay. Let's screw it back in here. There we go. Put this over. Boy, that even clips it now. Look how nice. Okay. I'm glad I redid it. There's one. There's two. Pull our sock down over it. Fill it in. And boy, does my dog love playing with dirt. Look at that. That's pretty good, right? I like it. All right. Okay, we're at location number 2. You can see where we just left this kind of sticking up. It looks like I put a screw. Yeah, I did. So I screwed this little cap on here thinking I was going to keep the rodents out. And I think all I did was make it harder for the water to drain. But that's okay. This one, oh boy. Excuse me. Yeah, that ain't bad. There's not much in there. Okay. I duct taped all that on there. I'll just leave it on. I don't know. I better take it off. It's so hard to work with these gloves. I know why I taped this. It was because I was probably paranoid that it was going to just flap off or get caught in the mower. It's like a nightmare. I can't get that off of there without too much work. So let's just dive in here. We'll lower this pipe down right around this area. We'll screw the end on it. Not bad. Okay, I've already screwed my adapter onto, or I've pushed my adapter onto this. I'll get these screwed on. The tape is messing me up. There it goes. Nice. There you have it. So now we just lower this to the height we want. Fill her in. Oop. I'll pull this up. And again, I think we'll leave that down just a little bit so we can dress it with some nice black dirt. And I'll just fill this erosion spot. My leftover sand. We've got those two in. I've got one or two more I'm going to go check. I don't have any more of these pop-ups is what they call them. So I'll go buy a couple more and we'll get them put in this week. Okay, this is a clip into the video. You'll see I'm wearing different clothes today. But this is important. When we got to the tiles that aren't draining in the yard, but they're just draining down to the woods here, I wanted to put something over the end of this 4-inch tile because I don't want rodents, you know, mice, things like that, even turtles maybe crawling up in here, whether a mouse is making a nest or the turtle is, you know, just crawling up there getting stuck, whatever that is. So I got these end caps here, and I think this will allow them to drain and allow water to come out. And I'm just going to screw these on the ends, and it should protect from allowing rodents to get up in there and making a mess for us. So we'll stick this. Oops. Boy, this thing's been flattened out a little bit, but we got it. There we go. That's pushed on. And then I'll just put 3 screws in it. There's one. There's 2. Then we'll put a 3rd one over here. That one didn't go in. Let's try it. Let's try it right here. There we go. And that's all there is to it. That'll allow the water to drain and keep rodents out. Again, I thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit those notifications for more. See ya.